Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your device has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and test one web page to rule out connectivity. Once done, open Gmail and confirm there is free storage space and that auto-sync is enabled. Also verify app permissions so Gmail can run in background. Finally, check IMAP or POP settings if you use an email client. This is the first actionable step to fix delays and avoid chasing settings later. Next, you force stop the Gmail app and clear its cache to remove stale data that can cause lag. After restarting, toggle account sync off then on, and set a frequent sync interval if you use an external client. This forces immediate reindexing. Make sure battery optimization isn't restricting Gmail and add it to background data exceptions so push works reliably. If you use multiple clients, reconcile settings so only one handles push to prevent conflicts and duplicated delays. Finally, verify results. Send a test email from another account and note delivery time. If messages still lag, update Gmail and your OS, then remove and re-add the account to force a fresh sync. Once complete, monitor for several minutes. Make sure filters or forwarding rules aren't rerouting mail. If delays continue, reset network settings or try a different network. One key troubleshooting tip: re-adding the account often clears persistent sync tokens that.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.